You know, we always see birds on the walk. There'd be a whole lot of birds on the walk. Oh, there you go one. There you go. I think that was the same bird too. You up there. You see him? There you go. It'd be a lot of birds though, I ain't gonna lie. It really be a lot of birds out here. Oh, that's a daycare over here. Daycare. It's like $1 van. Huh? Let's see what's up this side. Guys, let's see what's on this side. Let's go see. We got pet store over there. We got a lady walking the dog, so I guess that side is the side for the pets. Alright. So let's see. Yeah. Bless every sweat this way. The green room. What y'all know about the green room? Y'all know over there was a funeral home, right? Right over there. That was a funeral home. Y'all probably don't even know that. Wash your car and stuff like that. Guys, we're walking Empire Boulevard. Those are what, solar system? That's a solar system, right? Drop it in the comment section, I'm not sure. Yo, they got the rat outside saying, bro, non-union. That's crazy. That is crazy. Whose idea had to have a rat? All of the creatures, then why a rat? Because they say when you use a rat, that shows the filthiness. Yo, the low down, dirty rat. Yo, that's cool. scooter jamming like that? I don't believe all that happening on a scooter, bro.
Like, alright, I got a bunch of people to eat already.
That is working. Across the street. This way, we are going to the fruit. Y'all want fruits? Got okras. You got all type of fruit stuff here, partner. We got pineapples, so you know. Bro, they still got the rat up there, bro. Y'all want to go over there, go see what's going on? Let's go really see. Gotta ask somebody over there, right? Like, what's going on with this rat, bro? Yo, let's go ask the question. Bro, we got a question right now. We want to know why they have a rat outside. Let's know. Let's go find out. They got the rat out. They say they want their cheese, man. Hold up, bro. Gotta get the rat. This rat, man, look. Rat better than cheese, man. Full circle.